Abawakili haiga Kenya kia Law Society of Kenya nigo bono kiararirie gochia kogira hemeroberio goikirana bosio bw'ebigambero EJUMATANO yeikinya tariki 22 cy'umwaka oyuga eri mbunenjere moyo koro kia hobomo hase Komochia na gutugutirare Obokurumi buganete kwene kiwase ebigambero au ikiombe kyo nigo bono kia mochire gati abo bisa hase ebigambero abanya ko bagutumika chinguru chiabo bechia bisi nabigo kwene kia hemeroberio hetari korengana neri chiko hase bakonyoria hegati ya masabo na bigo egati ebina by'abawakili abo nigo bigo batebire okonyorwa kwebina ebyo nigo gekoirera komundria umwana incho kawaida huyo koria konyora obwene hase ebigambero ebyo.
Start into golf clubs.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Judicial accountability.
When do we want it?
Now.
Finally, what do we want?
Judicial accountability.
When do we want it?
Now.
Thank you. We'll take when we get to that point. Members have expressed concern of allegations of corruption, judicial misconduct, abuse of office, and unethical conduct by some judicial officers. Number 2, delays in the administration of justice. Advocates continue to experience delays in hearing and determination of matters. Members have reported persistent inefficiencies in court registries. Accordingly, the Council communicates its resolution to undertake a court boycott in 2 stages. 1, a general court boycott. The court shall undertake, the Society of the Law Society of the legal profession shall undertake a nationwide boycott of court proceedings on Wednesday, 22nd July 2026, intended to emphasize the seriousness of the concerns raised by members and to call for meaningful institutional interventions that will restore confidence in the administration